Yes, today is another day, another day, another day. Yeah. We're gonna make this bathroom now. As I promised before, we're gonna build a wall right here, going back over here, and get everything on this side. Alright. So that would be that for the time being. Until we see the rest of the day. Yeah. Okay.
Do the end then.
So easy now.
The ends. Do the ends.
So we're gonna line up this one. We already framing this part. See? Already frame it in. Yeah. Right there. Right there. So we are putting this one together again. Putting it together. So when we're ready, we're gonna place it right here. Across here. Right there. Alright. This is the doorway. Alright, so we have the door header here. Alright. So this is that. Yeah. See next one here. Put this one over this one for us. Take this put over this one.
That's you what they want to take off it. Take off it one yet.
No, that's fine. Alright. Good. Yeah man, kicking my knee up man, making go up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the doorway. So we have a 28 inches door, so we're gonna get right here. We're gonna put a door face right here. Yeah, door face right here. Going back over here, we're gonna put a next 2 by here, and then the door face here, and then the door will be here. All right. So we already cut in all this piece, this one here now. So we're going back to the other lumber. So Rasta treading along for the other set of lumber come here. All right. So we have the door header to go here. All right. That's it for now. Until again. I like the video man. Subscribe and you'll see the finish of this thing again. As we always say, like the video. Alright, look how informative this is now. You already have your wall up. I do this on the ground. I just want to lift it up. Alright? I'm just going to lift it and put it in place here. Then I'm going to use the sheetrock and I am through. Alright? Alright, now we are getting in this wall here. See, want to slide it right round, bring it in place, right in place there. Right, and that is one over there sitting over there. Oh. Okay. All right. This is it now. We already put in here. Go over there. And go over there. So we are lining up right there now. Okay, right. Going up there. Okay. So that's it.
Move your fork fire.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know sheetrock is going in right here now. Yeah. See, told you. So I told you it's coming up. It's coming up. Yeah. And that's the little show over there. Yeah, that's it. Alright. See, bathroom's already. Doorway right here. Wall up. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. We have decided to be done shortly. Yeah. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna cut it right here now. Follow this line right here. Alright. So wall 3 right here. Yes. Remember to subscribe. You see the end of this one. Yeah. That's the other side. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen. So just fit in. Gonna screw up again. You will see the end if you subscribe, make a like, and you will see pop up. Alright, there we go. Going. Alright. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you see what's going on and now. Most of the pieces are in. This is in. We are here to patch because the wall was right here. We're going to remove it back here. So we're going to patch there. Alright. Then we have all these three compounds. Alright. Look at it. Look at it now. Alright. But when we came, it was no wall here. Now it is here. Alright. Good. We have here to be fixed. Alright. Yeah, that is ready. I guess so. I think so. Here's a kind of little bit tight, so we're just gonna go to have it up.
So the fucking everything.
Yes, there is a little bit too wide, so we just gonna shave it down. Shave it down to smaller measurement. Alright. So all this wall is up now. Alright. On the outside. Alright. And I'm getting hungry. Hey, thumbs up the video again. Like the video. Subscribe and you will see the end. Comment, man. Comment and tell me how it look. Alright.